friends, I am Uday Kutik. Today in this video we will see about the home automation, which is the future begins by the way of the automation. It is a new innovation technology which is being emerging right now. We will see about the what are the home automation, what is meant by home automation, what are the uses of it. Further we will move into the content. In this slide we will see about what are the content list, what are the topics we will see about in this video. These are the 8 content. As I will move to the next slide. History. Well, the history is a basic of everything. When does the home automation begins? Whether the home automation begins recently? No. Let's see. By the year of 1785, Nikola Tesla invented the first remote control product, which is a remotely controlled boat, which is the boat he designed. Further in recent years, car which is Nikola Tesla, which is famous for the cars. 1901, the introduction of the first vacuum cleaner. Over the next few decades, the world's minds rolled out the washing machines, cloth dryers, cloth iron, home refrigerators, etc. By the period of 1950, Jack Kirby and Rob Noyce invented the computer chip. It is the basic and building block for the today's smart computer technology, home technologies. Which is the displayed image. It is nothing but an extend device. This is the extend device, which was developed in the year of 1975 by Pico Electronics. The extend devices used in order to allow the remote control of home devices and appliances. It was the first general purpose of domotic network technology. Is extend still in business areas? Let's see. Extend is a communication protocol enabling communication between the smart home devices. At the time, a revolutionary leap, 40 years after being brought to the market, Extend is still going strong today. Extend carries a signal over a main power's wiring in your home, so can control light switches, lamp holders, or mains outlets, etc. It is another pair of an Extend device. By the year of 1980s, home automation became a commonplace in the forms of garage doors, fiber optics, thermostat controls, home security systems, and other emerging technologies. Are the other emerging products. These are the pre-inventions done till this period. By those types of inventions, an upgrade integration takes place for the modernized home automations. And also by the year of 1990, the IoT was born, and also Microsoft Corporation, which contributed its own versatile smart home. How should the smart home should be looked, and how did function to be? They had designed and idea to the now emerging smart home. And in the year of 2000, LG announced its first internet refrigerator plan. Intro to the home automation. Home automation or domestic buildings of automation for a home is called smart home or a smart house. Even we can able to say that the whole automation is nothing but the way we are automating our particular product or a design, which we need to use for our purposes and convenience. And in the industry, the automation done means it also said to be an industrial automation. It is nothing but the two-way communication of a person which communicates with his phone to the lights and TV by a single device, and it's sent to the cloud storage devices. Well, I will say how this works, and from the upcoming slides. There is an increasing in the demand of smart homes due to the environmental factors and etc. The appliances react automatically changing to the environment. This is the main point, or a condition or the command which given by the users, and these can be controlled through the one common device as shown in this picture. What is meant by home automation? The home automation is anything that enables you to use our home lighting, seating systems, appliances more conveniently and efficiently in a single hand. From this picture, you can able to see the man holding his phone and turn on the lamp in the white light, and he also adjust the lamp into the various colors. The home automation is anything that gives you remote or automatic control of things around your home, inside your home also. What are the process evolved in the home automation? Home automation is a network of hardware communication and electronic interfaces that work to integrate everyday devices with another via internet. In home automation, as anything that gives you a remote or automatic control of the things around your home, connecting to the various gadgets, thereby increasing the wireless technology, which means there is a more connectivity will be emerged. Well, we will see what are the three main things for the home automation: the sensors, controllers, and actuators. These are the three main things. And then the we can able to see the pictures from this picture: the camera, the door lock, the computer systems, the common Wi-Fi protocol devices. The each devices has sensor, and it's connected through the Wi-Fi, so we can able to manage them for our smartphones and from the tablets. Whether you are at the home or at a mile away from your home, it is a meter connection only. This allows us to turn many gadgets are integrated in our home by a common devices. Well, we will see about the sensor which converts the physical parameter, for example, the temperature, blood pressure, humidity, speed, etc., into a signal which can be measured by the way of electricity. We can able to see from this picture. The sensors are sophisticated devices that are frequently used to detect the response to the electrical and optical signals. Optical signals nothing but the emerging signals which is from a surrounded area which sensor is being located. For example, light rays. For example, if you are giving from a darkness also, the sensors these can monitor change in daylight, temperature, motion detection also. Home automation system can adjust those settings as per our preference and conveniences. For example, the temperature, this is a physical medium which gives us a temperature, a resistance and the voltage it is considered, and the information the target handling is being converted and sent as a signal to the particular next processor. And these are the different types of sensors is being listed. Gas sensor, cold sensor. I think most of the sensors are very known to us. The soil moisture sensor, proximity sensors, touch sensors. And we'll move to the next slide. Next slide is about the controllers. The process done as the input a signal or output signal. The controller refers to the devices such as a personal computer, tablets, or smartphones used to send or receive the messages about the status of our automation features in our home. Or if the automation run in the area of an industrial automation, it is in the area of industries. Is in a hardware devices or a software, the program that manages and directs follow the data between the two entities. It is in a common controller which is located in our home. The controller is the brain of our system. There are two types of a controllers are present: continuous and discontinuous controller. We will see about the uses. The controller improve the steady state accuracy by decreasing the steady state error. The controller can control the maximum overshoot of our systems. Controller can help the speed up the slow of response of our overdone systems, and or can help in reducing the noise signal produced by the systems. And then there are three types of discontinuous controllers, and they are proportional, integral, and derivatives. For example, um, the TV entertainment systems which are being using, which are being connected to the cable box, we can able to change the TV channels by with the help of a remote. It is a type of a controller. And from this pictorial, we can also say, and well, And there are so many systems are being connected through a common controller system. If the person is pressing the light means it is being controlled by this system and it is being message passed to the next processor and it is being integrated by an wireless manner. And this is a solar charger controller with the solar panels are being linked to it and battery and loads. It is being controlled by a completed and professional manner. In this pictorial also we can see how does the controller works. The controllers which gets the inputs from the users from us and gives the signal to the actuators and further the process has been carried out. At last we will see the actuators. For example, we will see an actuator is a compound of an machines that is responsible for moving and controlling the mechanisms or systems. For example, by opening a valve in a simple terms in a mover. For example, the chair uses an actuator to turn the motions on joysticks into a forward, backward, and leftward and types of motions. This is in a hydraulic actuator. The actuator which requires a control signal and source of energy. The control signal nothing but the signal comes from the controllers. When it receives the controller signal, an actuator responds to the converting the source energy into the mechanical motions. This is an example of an actuator flow. Here is a temperature sensor which detects particular temperature which is being set by us, and it is a signal transmitted to the by the way of controller center and reach the controller center sends the command sprinkler and the actuator performs its way. And also one more example, it is in a soil moisture sensor which detects unwanted water content or which measures the stable water content or in deficient content of water. The same process which is being carried out. Which detects the low level of moisture content, which the actuator like a pump which sends out the water to the particular field. And also there are some more examples. When controlling the things like pumps, blinds, sprinklers, or other mechanical devices, actuators are used to transmit the electronic signals into the physical actions, like this. The controller signals is relatively low energy and may be electrical voltage or current. Pneumatic or this is in a hydraulic pressure, hydraulic linkage actuators. Let me move to the next slide. Technology used in home automations. And well, these are the technology used in home automation like Wi-Fi, IoT, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Li-Fi, infrared, Z-Wave, Thread, instant, C-bus, and radio frequencies. We will see about the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is a name of a wireless network technology that uses the radio waves to provide the wireless high-speed internet and network connections. The Wi-Fi is simply a trademark phrase IEEE 802.11x. The Wi-Fi is a modem which provides access to the internet at the home, allowing devices to connect the when router broadcasts the signal. The Wi-Fi enable capable devices that uses a signal to connect to the internet. The Wi-Fi modem the ranges varies from the various device to device according to its capability. For example, indoor connections, I will saying in a small example only. 46 meter is an indoor. For in condition of outdoor condition, 92 meters, which sends up a signal about 2.4 gigahertz. We'll see about the one more thing. The Wi-Fi was developed in the year of 21st September 1998, and we will see about the Internet of Things, which is a quite emerging technology. But in another video, I will publish more about the how does the Internet of Things works, and it's from basics to the integrating systems. I will say about the most of the things in next video. The IoT, the Internet of Things, is a system interrelated to computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects or animals or the people that are provided with a unique UIDs. The devices which are having a unique UIDs, then only it transfers a signal to the cloud storages. And then the IoT is nothing but the transferring of a data. It consists of a sensor devices which talk to the cloud through the some kind of connectivity. For example, the software process happens giving in data to us as per the mentioned time or the mentioned conditions to us and intimating to us if any emergency occurs. It is nothing but a mission-to-mission connectivity. The Wi-Fi is a simple wireless network and connections which can include in the net as a private network and IoT devices. Wi-Fi is uniquely placed to the support of broadband and narrowband IoT applications from a common platform that can work at varying levels of power consumptions and signal ranges. And then in 2017, a new protocol devices called Wi-Fi Halo was published in the and then it is mainly designed for to reach the long distance operates in a sub frequency and reach as a long distance of kilometer of 1 kilometer. It was specifically made for the IoT providing lower energy and the consumptions and a higher transmissions range than the previous standards but then hence used extremely yet. The proper configuration of a Wi-Fi is rather than one most difficult, so step cost is being more than height. They will see about the next informations in next part of this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel.